Hi, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M33 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first to do that, we should open the Play Store application and then in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app and click enabling settings. Near green Apple keyboard, we should click once on the switcher, tap twice to OK and go back. Then click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's use the search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.